Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, we will learn about the Boolean array indexing, in which a Boolean array is used for the indices of the array to extract the sub-array. NumPy permits Boolean indexing to select elements of array based on logical condition. For example, we want to filter all the values that are less than 10 or greater than 5 and less than 10. In the same way, we can specify different condition to extract the sub-array from the original array. In the Boolean indexing, subset of an array is selected based on the values of the data and not on their row, column, label or integer locations. Here is a one-dimensional array marks, and we are creating another Boolean array marks greater than 15. So it will create a Boolean array which consists of true and false values. Now if we use this Boolean array as a indices for the above array, so it will return following three values because these three values satisfy the above condition. Here is another array, two-dimensional array. Here we want to select some specific rows and columns. This array contains 4 rows and 3 columns. Here is another NumPy array rows called rows, in which there are 4 elements, 2 true and 2 false. So we will use this array as a subscript, first subscript for rows in the two-dimensional array, and the other for column we are using colon operator, which will select all the rows, which will select all the columns. So it will return the first and last row because the values for the second and third row is false. Similarly, if we want to return all the rows and some specific columns, so we can use like this one. Here we are extracting all rows but first 2 columns because the values for the first 2 columns is true and for the third it is false. So it will return values like this one. So let us demonstrate this concept using the Python programming. So here we have a one-dimensional array. So now we want to apply the same concept. Now we want to filter all the values that are less than 12, for example. So now here is a array index equal to marks greater than 12. So it will filter all the values. It will select all, we are going to select all the values that are greater than 12. Now let's say we print this IDX, and then we use this IDX as a indices for the above array marks IDX. So this is the output. So now we see that the output contain only those values which satisfies the above condition. Similarly, if we want to display only the even values, so we can write like this one, marks. So it will return only the even values, 10, 12, 8 and so on. So if we want to filter the negative values, for example, we have an array in which there are positive and negative values. 1, 2, minus 4, minus 7, 6, minus 4, and so on. So we want to filter all the negative values. To remove the all negative values, you need to get the copy excluding the negative values. So let's say we have another array B. Now A, where A greater than 0. So it will return all the values. The inside this A greater than 0 will return the Boolean array, and that Boolean array will be used as a indices for the A. So let's say we print the B. So it will contain the values 1, 2, 5. So in this way we can specify the different condition. If we want to add some value to the negative value, so we can write like this one: A less than 0 and then equal to 10. So this will add a constant value 10 to all negative values of the array A. So 1, 2. So now there is no negative value in the array A because 10 is added to the all values that are negative. So in this way we can exclude multiple ways. Now we can use a logical operator AND or for the Boolean indexing. For example, if we want to display all the marks that are greater than 12 and less than 18, so we can write like this one. For example, marks greater than 12 and marks less than 18. So if we run this, so 15, 17 and 13. So similarly we can use the OR operator, OR logical operator to extract some specific data. Now selecting all rows which sum up to the less or equal to 2. Let's say we have a two-dimensional array Y, np.array, two-dimensional array which rows, this is the first row, second, third and 2, 2 and 1, 3 for example. So this is the NumPy array. Now we want to display, to extract all the rows whose sums are less than equal to 2. So let's say first of all we calculate the sum. Let's say we have a row sum equal to n equal to y dot sum. So we are using the axis1 to calculate the sum of the rows. Now let's print y where r sum is less than or equal to 2. So 0, 1 0, 1 okay, np dot sum, sorry, we are using the sum of the y. So now run this again. So 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1. because 2, 2 and 1, 3 sum is greater than 2. If we change this like this one, so greater or equal to 2, so it will return all the values. Or if you want to just check the greater or 2, so it will return only that rows which sum is greater or equal to 2. So in this way we can specify the different condition. Let's say, for example, selecting all entries from array which are not a number. Normally not a number is used to declare the numerical missing values in the data. So for example, if we have an array in which there are not a number and we want to remove these number before analysis, so let's say we have a data like this one, np dot not a number, similarly the not in np dot not a number, and so on. So this is the array. Now we want to remove all the numbers from the array that are not a number. So we can create another array y x not np dot, this is the negation, is not a number, and then we use the x array. So to print x, the original array and the sub array, extracted array, so we will, so the first is the original array in which not a number is present, and the other is the filter array. So in this way we can use the Boolean indexing for extracting, creating sub array. In next video we will discuss some mathematical and statistical functions that can be applied on the NumPy array. Thank you.